Hi children, this is Deepika Bhaskar from GK Jain School. Today I am going to take class for 5th standard subject science and the lesson name is organ system. Already we have seen about the digestive system and the respiratory system. Today we are going to learn about the circulatory system and the heart. The circulatory system consists of heart, blood and blood vessels. Now we are going to learn about the human heart in detail. The heart is an organ of our body. Now what is an organ? An organ is a special group of tissues that do specific jobs for our body. The heart is a special group of tissues. Let me tell you, the heart pumps the blood through the body. It is a hollow muscular organ. It is somewhat conical in shape. It is covered with double-walled membrane called pericardium. The space between the pericardium membrane is filled with the fluid called pericardial fluid. It protects the heart from the shock. The heart has 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium. These are the upper chambers of the heart. Then the lower 2 chambers are right ventricle and the left ventricle. The heart has 4 chambers, 2 on the upper and 2 on the bottom. The upper and lower chambers of the heart are separated by the auriculoventricular septum of the heart. The right side of the heart receives the deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the body and pumps it to the lungs for oxygenation. Like that, the left ventricles receives the oxygenated from the blood from the heart and it pumps to the various parts of the body. Heart is the big your fist. It is the muscular pump. The pumping action of the heart is called as heartbeat. Now we are going to see the heart picture. A healthy person heart beats 72 times in a minute. Can you feel your heartbeat, children? Now we are going to see about the blood. A normal human body has 4 to 5 liters of blood. The blood helps to carry all the nutrients and oxygen to the body and carry away the waste material from the different parts of the body. This blood transportation is performed by the blood vessels. Now we are going to see the blood vessels. Blood vessels consist of arteries and veins. The arteries carry the oxygen-rich blood to every part of the body from the heart. It carries the oxygenation blood except the pulmonary arteries, because it carries the deoxygenated blood from the various parts of the body, and the vein bring blood full of carbon dioxide back to the heart. It carries the deoxygenated blood from the heart except the pulmonary veins, because it carries the oxygenated blood from the heart. This process is repeated without any stoppage during a person's lifetime. Now we are going to see the excretory system of our body. The excretory system removes the waste products from the body. It also regulates the water and maintains the electrolyte balance. Kidneys, lungs, liver and skin together function as excretory organs. Excretory organ consists of kidney, ureters, and urinary bladder. Now we are going to see the kidney in detail. The kidneys filter the blood to remove waste and produce the urine. The kidneys are a pair of, there are two kidneys there. Pair of dark red bean-shaped organs placed behind the abdomen on either side of the vertebral column. There are two kidneys, that is in dark red color. It is situated in the abdomen, either side of the abdomen. The average adult's kidney measures about 12 centimeter in length and 6 centimeter in the width. The thickness is 3 centimeter. Right kidney is slightly bigger than the left kidney. It is slightly bigger than the left kidney. Each kidney is covered by the fibrous membrane called capsule. The kidneys are made up of millions of excretory units called nephrons, which are the structural and functional units of the kidneys. Now we are going to see about the ureters. There are pair of ureters. Two ureters connect the kidneys with the urinary bladder. The two ureters, it's along with the kidney, it connect with the urinary bladder. Urine formed from the each kidney reaches the urinary bladder through the ureters. Now we are going to see about the urinary bladder. It is a sac-like in shape and acts as a temporary storage organ of urine. The urine will be filled in this place. This is called urinary bladder. Urine entering the urinary bladder from the ureters slowly fill the hollow space inside the bladder. Urine is expelled from the body through the urethra. Urine will be going out from the urethra through this urinary bladder. In this space, the urine will be stored and slowly it is going through this urethra. Thank you, children.